Hi guys, Kanditoybox here. Today I wanted to share my favorite string to use for candy. I get a lot of questions asking what brand, so I just wanted to let you guys know. Um, these came from Walmart, and you can find these in the sewing section near the Velcro and other elastics. This is used for beading and for clothing, so it's pretty strong. This is sold under different brands at different stores. So you can find this at Walmart, Meijer, lots of different craft stores. I'm gonna insert a video of me going to Walmart to show you what the aisle looks like to give you an idea. So I hope this helps you guys. And also there's going to be, when you get to the aisle, there's going to be 3 different strings to choose from. This this one's like in the middle, and I use this for almost everything. And this one's a little thicker, maybe for backpacks or purses or something you need more strength for. And then there'll be a really thin one. Do not use the really thin one. It frays and won't hold up. These two, you're good to go with these two. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.